Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Workday how to register for classes. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To register for classes using Workday, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Workday app. Then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is navigate to your institution's Workday portal and log in using your credentials. Then from your Workday homepage, click on academics icon. Then in the right hand column under planning and registration, click on find courses, select sections. Then enter the desired academic period and your academic level, and then click on OK to proceed. Then use the filters on the left side to narrow down your search by subject, course number, instructor or other criteria. Once you have found a course you're interested in, click on the course title to view more details. Then on the course details place, click the register button at the bottom. And if you meet all the prerequisites and there are no holes on your account, your registration will be confirmed. To register for multiple courses, you can open each courses in new tab and repeat the registration process. After registering, you can view your schedule to going back to the academic section and selecting view my courses. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.